Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I personally do my analysis on the boom and crash market in order to get a better entry, right? So here is what I do. I start from the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, right? So here on the daily time frame right now, I'll try to identify the trend, right? So as you can see right now, we are in a downtrend, right? We are currently in a downtrend. So that's what I'm going to identify right now. So I'll just put in some trend line here. Alright, so when drawing your trend line, you make sure you use the tips of the candlestick, right? Now after identifying the trend from the daily, I go to the 4-hour time frame, right, to have a better look of what the market is doing down there. Now here on the daily time frame, you can see that price is a little bit deep from the candlestick, so I'll try to draw another trend line to match up with price perfectly. Alright, so I'll put in some other trend line here. Right, then I'll move down again to the 1-hour time frame to see what's going down there. So here on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that price is currently going down still, right? As you can see, the overall trend of the market is a downtrend. So here in this market, I will only be looking for sell trades, right? Right here on the 30-minute time frame, the price is still going down well. So I'll check the 50-minute time frame. Alright, as you guys know, I'm a scalper, so I'm looking for quick entries and quick exits. Alright, I don't want to stay long in the market. I don't have any reason to stay long in the market. Alright, what I want is just take what's mine and then I'll leave the rest. So here on the 50-minute time frame, you can see that the price is far from trend line and it will take some time before price gets to there. So I'll just mark out what I can see so that whenever price gets there, I'll get the quick entry. Right, so as far as price is below this trend lines, we are in a downtrend, right? So you know that. So as far as price is below this, we are in a downtrend. So I'll go down to 5 minutes, which is the area I'll be taking my entries. Alright, so here I will put in some support and resistance zone in order to have a better understanding of what the market is doing. So now we are in a very strong support and resistance zone. What did I say? Strong support and resistance zone. You can see the way price is battling with this area. Came down here and retest, bounce down a little, break through it, came down here, bounce it up, test, bounce it up again. You can see, and then price broke down. You can see the way it's reacting to that zone. So that shows that is a very strong support and resistance zone, and you can see currently price is now bouncing it down. Price is now bouncing it down from this area. So this is the area I'm supposed to be taking my entry from. I'm supposed to be selling down here. Alright, as far as I'm concerned, I will only be taking sell trade unless price breaks above this retest and then continue to the upside. But whenever it breaks that, I will not be taking any entry. My only entry area is going to be whenever it gets to this area, then I'll be selling from there, because I only catch spike whenever I'm trading the boom and crash. I don't trade against spike. So that's what I'm doing. So right now there is an opportunity for me here to sell now. There is an opportunity for me, so immediately I end this video, I'll be taking my sell and I'll be monitoring it. Alright, I can't do it now while the video is going on because I'm kind of busy today, so I will not be able to show you guys how the trade will play out. Alright, so this is how the trade will go. As you can see right now, it's either it will bounce here and continue going down, or it will break the test and then continue going to the upside. Alright, so this is the two ways this is going to play out. Alright, so hope you guys get some value from this video. Hope you learned something, because that's the essence of making the video, is to make my analysis so that you can see how I do it, and hopefully you will learn how to do it too. Alright, so that's why I'm making the video. Alright, so if you are getting value, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Alright, because this is a strategy also. Alright, a price action strategy, and you can use it also to grow your small account. Alright, so for example, you can see, you can just like take this trade now. Your stop loss is going to be above here, so that whenever price gets there or go against you, it will just take you out with some little profits. Right, so let me just take entry here so that you understand what I'm saying. Like I'm taking a sell now, and then this is the, if you are to take any loss, this is what you are going to, let's say you drop your stop loss above this, so you'll be losing like 1.21 cents. Alright, so this is not a big money for you if you are using the lowest lot size, right? For me, whenever I take trade, I do take it to $2. That's the one I'm willing to lose. So you can see this is where price is going to be before it takes me out. So you can see that, and then I'll like set my TP anywhere I want. Alright, so this is how you do this thing. This is the way you can like analyze and take your own entry too. Alright, so this is all for this video now. See you guys in the next video. Silver out.